Ashton Technology Solutions, this is Tom. You want to learn more about Microsoft Business Voice? Yeah, I can help with that. As you probably already know, we here at Ashton are no strangers to using Microsoft Teams. If you haven't seen our Teams videos, you can check them out here. So we've all been working from home for the last few months, and one of the biggest challenges we've faced is how do I make and receive work calls from home without giving out my personal cell phone information? A simple solution to that is Microsoft Business Voice. If you're already using Microsoft Teams and you have 365 licensing, setup can be as simple as assigning your users a Microsoft Business Voice license, giving them a direct dial number, and having them sign into Teams to make phone calls. More than that, Teams is also a fully functioning phone system with features like auto attendance, call queues, and ring groups. Or if you already have your own phone system set up, you can integrate it into Microsoft Teams using a Microsoft certified session border controller. Want to learn more? Give us a call at 216-455-9999, or you can visit our website at ashtonsolutions.com.